Is your Outlook calendar not working as it should? Meetings not showing up, reminders not popping up when they should, or maybe the entire calendar is just refusing to load? Well, there could be permissions issues, corrupted profile, or even simple settings problem. In this video, I'm going to show you simple fixes to get your Outlook calendar working again. And if the problem persists, even after watching this video, just call the numbers on the screen and our expert will guide you through the solutions in real time. So let us dive right into it. In the Microsoft Outlook application homepage, click on the File tab. After that, click on the Account Settings and then choose the Account Settings option from the open list. Now, a new tab will appear where you need to click on your email option, as shown here. When you're on the page, go ahead and click on the More Settings option. Then select the Advanced tab in the open pop-up. What you need to do is move to the Microsoft 365 Features section and select the checkbox below it. After that, select the Apply option and confirm your action. Finally, close Outlook and reopen it to check if your problem has been resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.